Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel today. Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. I want to ask you a question. Do you know you can make shawarma in the comfort of your home? Okay guys, if you want to know, just keep watching because today we'll be making homemade shawarma, chicken shawarma. Just watch till the end and you see how I made this homemade shawarma. Guys, that is the meat I'll be using. Chicken is boneless chicken. Yeah, I removed all the bones in the chicken. If you want to do shawarma, make sure there's no bone in your meat. So guys, I'll add all the condiments, all the ingredients I will be using for the meat, and I'll add everything mixed together and I'll put it in the fridge because I'll be doing the shawarma the next day, being Sunday. So I'll be adding everything. So you add whatever you feel will make your meat taste lovely and like taste good. Do you understand? So that's what I'm doing. After that, I'll put it in the fridge and wait for the next day. So as you can see, I'm adding all these things, both black pepper, onions, dried onions. I added seasoning cube. I'm adding this dry red pepper. Many things that I added, you see it in my description box. Then that is my ginger garlic paste. I even added normal ginger garlic. Like I added many things. So after that, I'll marinate it till the next day. The reason why I did it is because the meat, it will help the meat to taste really good. If you try it, you will see how your meat will taste. That is my curry powder. So guys, keep watching if you want to know how I made this homemade shawarma. Keep watching till the end and please subscribe, like, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help this channel to grow, guys, and please watch till the end so that you will learn to make your shawarma at home. So that's my catch up. So guys, keep watching. That is it. Make sure you mix it very well. I'm adding little salt. So guys, that is salt. So guys, that is my sausage. I'll be taking out, I'll cut into inside the meat and mix. Then other ones, if I'm doing the shawarma, I'll put it like that, the way it's long. So I'm taking out to put inside my shawarma. I'll just cut it and put and mix it with the meat. So that is it, my sausage. Finish cutting the two, so I'll mix them together and put inside the fridge. So guys, that is the meat. I'll put it inside. Let me put it inside the fridge and wait for tomorrow, being Sunday, for us to do our shawarma, our homemade shawarma. So guys, just entered inside fridge. Guys, started the process yesterday with the meat. I brought out the meat from the fridge. So that is it. So guys, that is our meat. I brought it out from the fridge. Then that's our sausage, what we'll be using for our shawarma. Then we'll be making use of vegetables. We'll be making use of cabbage and carrots. Then my power oil, my salad cream, that's salad cream. Then we'll be making use of this mayonnaise, our shawarma bread, pita bread, call it whatever you want to call it, ketchup. So that's what we'll be using. Sit back, watch till the end and you see the way we do our shawarma. Guys, I'm done cutting my cabbage and my carrots, so I will set them aside and then I will mix my salad cream the ketchup, and the mayonnaise. I will mix all together. Before then, guys, I'll be processing my meat. Like, I'll be, will I say frying or cooking, but just keep watching and see the way I'll process my meat so that it will be good for the shawarma. So I just added palm oil now. Let me allow it to heat. I will now pour in my meat. That's my chicken. I'll be adding just little water. When I add, I'll just cover it up for it to cook evenly, for everything to cook well. I'll cover my pot and allow it to cook well before using it for my shawarma. So guys, at this point, I'll be mixing the mayonnaise, the salad cream, and the ketchup together. So I'll mix all together. That's what I'll be using for my shawarma. So keep watching and you see the way I will do it. So guys, I've added my mix inside, the salad cream, the mayonnaise, and the ketchup. So I'm mixing it very well with the cabbage and carrot. So that's what I'm doing. After that, I'll start making a shawarma, homemade shawarma. Yeah, make sure you do it after watching this video. Have you subscribed? Please do well and subscribe. Guys, that is my hot dog or sausage. I want to fry it a little bit before using it for our shawarma. So that's what I'm doing now. guys, are you seeing the way we are doing our homemade shawarma? Yeah, that is it. So you can see now it's possible to make your shawarma at home. So guys, that's the way we do it. Have you subscribed to this channel, guys? Support this channel to grow. Subscribe, like, comment. Make sure you watch till the end and you see the outcome of our shawarma. So guys, this is our homemade shawarma. We'll be using frying pan for it. So you just place it in the frying pan. About 2 minutes, you flip it to the other side. Yeah, that's it. Or even less than 2 minutes, you flip it to the other side. Yeah, the shawarma is ready. So that's the way I did it. I made use of frying pan. So make use of what you have. Yeah, no excuse. You can use your frying pan to do your shawarma at home the way I'm doing it now, and it came out so nice and delicious. I wish you tested it. In fact, I greased my frying pan with oil, a little oil. I greased it. I didn't pour oil. I just greased it with oil so that it will allow me to make the shawarma well. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. See you in my next video, and make sure you try it. Please make your shawarma at home. Bye.